Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get reel option if you don't have one. So guys, if you have made a new Instagram account, or if you are using an old Instagram account, or you don't have this reel option right here on the screen, middle of the screen, as you can see I have this plus icon but I can't see the reel option. So if you're trying to watch reels but you don't have that option, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem, how you can get the reel option in your iPhone. So the first thing first, take the screenshot of this home screen of your account. Now close the app and close everything. Now go to your Instagram and click on settings. Then simply click on help. Then click on report a problem. Click on it. Now click on report a problem again. Then attach the screenshot here. Click on upload. Once you have done this, just let them know that you don't have that reel option here. So you can just write in detail and then simply click on next. Then click on send report. So as you can see, the report is done. So once you have sent the report, now close the application. Now go to your iPhone setting. Then simply scroll down. Click on general. Click on iPhone storage. Now search for the Instagram application right here. Then click on it. Click on offload app. Then you will get this reinstall app option. Click on it. Now you can go back to your home screen. App will reinstall on your iPhone without losing any of documents. So just wait until the app is reinstalled on your iPhone. Once the app is reinstalled, now you can open the app and see if you have the reel option or not. So as you can see guys, I have got the reel option. So if you haven't got yet, just wait for next 24 hours and you will get this reel option on your iPhone. So hope you will like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment, subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.